Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this warm eye makeup look, which is perfect for fall time. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do this. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids like always. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. So I'm applying this all over the eyelid. This removes the redness from the lid. It will make my eyeshadow more long lasting. And it just leaves a nice clean canvas for all the eyeshadows that we're going to use on the eyelids. So once I have applied this primer, I'm gonna set it with a little bit of powder just to make sure that it's locked in place and that it leaves like a layer of a soft powder, which makes the eyeshadows blend more easily. Now I will be going in with my own eyeshadow palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with the color Cottage, which is a matte white shade, and I'm gonna apply this underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. Now you can skip this. I personally really like a bright under eye. Now, not a bright underbrow highlight actually. And I feel like it makes the transition from the eyeshadows that I'm going to apply in my crease look just nicely blended, and it just creates this nice gradient that goes from light to dark if you go from like my brow towards my crease. So I personally really like it. Then after that I used an eyeshadow guard. If you don't have one of those, you can also use some regular sticky tape. That will definitely work as well. So after that, I'm gonna go in with this color Nacho Cheese, and I'm gonna blend this in the inner corner of the eyelid. So just like the beginning part of the eyelid. I am gonna create kind of like an ombre effect. So this color is gonna be like at the beginning part of the lid, and then at the center I'm gonna apply a different color, and at the outer part of the eyelid I'm also gonna use a different color. So this way you get like a nice gradient that goes from one color into another one. You can do this with a lot of different eyeshadows. You can even do it like going from yellow to green to blue to purple, kind of like creating that rainbow effect. But today, since this is a fall inspired makeup look, we're gonna play with these warm tones. So I went in with this color first, which is just a really nice mustardy color, and I just make sure that I blended it really nicely into the inner corner. You can always switch to a tinier brush if you find your brush too big for like that really corner part. And then just make sure that around the edges, like in the crease area, you blend it more softly. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Tikka Masala, and I'm gonna apply this at the center of the eyelid. So first I'm just kind of like dabbing the eyeshadow at the center of the eyelid. And then once I have not that much eyeshadow on my brush anymore, I'm kind of gonna also blend it softly on top of the color Nacho Cheese. So you don't wanna cover up all the eyeshadow that you just applied, but just a little bit, just to make sure that these two shades blend into each other. So you definitely want to go a little bit over it, but not like all over it, if that makes sense. So I'm just making sure that it looks nice. If you feel like it doesn't look good, you can always go back in with the previous color and apply a little bit more of that. That's definitely something you can do if you feel like you messed up, if you apply too much of this color. So don't worry about that. So I'm just focusing on blending and blending, also blending it a little bit towards the outer part. And then I went in with this color July 11th, which is like a nice brownish color. And I'm gonna blend this all the way at the outer part of the eyelid. And once again, also blending it on top of that previous eyeshadow color to make sure that these two shades blend into each other. So now I'm done with the eyeshadow, so I'm removing the eyeshadow guard, and you can see it left me with a super sharp edge. This comes in really handy because I am going in with eyeliner, so I can just apply a line above the lash line, and then I can follow that line that the eyeshadow guard left me. I'm not gonna go too in-depth on the eyeliner part because I do have separate videos where I show more of how to do your eyeliner. So if you do need some tips and tricks, definitely check those out. So after I used the gel eyeliner, I went in with this liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just went over the gel eyeliner to make it even more black, and it gives just a really nice matte finish. Then I went in with this Aqua Resist pencil from Makeup Forever in this black color. I'm just gonna apply this all the way in the waterline. You can also go for like a light lower lash line if you don't want to make it too smoky, but I'm going for something smoky today. So I went in with the color Levine, and this is a matte black color, and I'm just applying this all the way underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma flat definer brush. I'm just trying to press it as close as possible against the lash line. Now my camera shut off, so it didn't show all the parts, but I basically used the same colors as I did at the crease and eyelids. I used the same colors underneath the lower lash line as well. So that was Nacho Cheese, Tiki Masala, and July 11. So I used the same ombre effect underneath the lower lash line as well. Then I went in with the color Cottage, which is the matte white color that I used at the beginning. Applied a little bit of that in the inner corner. Then I curled my lashes and went in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. So I'm gonna apply some mascara. I will go in with falsies as well. I'm gonna go in with really beautiful lashes from Sigma Beauty. These are called Sultry lashes. Now I do have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty products. I will put that down in the description bar. You can use it on their brushes, on their makeup, on the lashes that I'm wearing. So definitely check it out if you're interested in buying anything from Sigma. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if this is a look that you would wear. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe